close to 120 volts. And then I've got myself a little heat gun, and it's going to pull about 12 amps. Let's see what happens to this volts, or to the volts here once that gets turned on. Okay, we lose a little bit of voltage. Now let's see what happens when I plug this splitter into 150 feet of extension cord. So we've got extension cord drug around through the lab here, and we're going to plug this in and see what happens. So that's a pretty dramatic drop on voltage. As you can see here, this demonstration